All right, hello there, everyone. Click the tray icon. Oh, here we go. Got it. Okay, so we got it. We are recording here. We've got the client .meshtastic.org, and my understanding is you got to use this on a Chromium-based web browser like Google Chrome, for example. I don't think this worked with Microsoft Edge when I tried it, but we're going to try to make a connection here. My SenseTastic device is Bluetooth. There it is, this guy over here. We will pair it. Should already pair. You need to check the manual for these because there we go. There is a pairing code that's a little bit different. So, there we go. We got all these different nodes here. Some of these are not current. Oh, good morning, everyone, at 9:47. I missed that today. So I've actually had my Meshtastic T1000 running all morning, actually since yesterday. Actually, you can see 19%. So it's actually been running about 2 days, I think, now total, and we're down to about 19%. So you can actually see the battery charge amount over here in the left column. And we got the one message. I don't think this is probably going to work now. I mean, that was an early morning message. I'm just going to send a hello out there, see if anybody does respond. Sometimes you'll get a reply back. Looks like I may want to drop my webcam because that's kind of blocking some of the info. Let me do that real quick and I'll be back. All right, yeah. I just wanted to do that so I could see the full screen here. See if this message ever makes it. So I have my Meshtastic T1000 in the window. This is another option other than just using the cell phone app. I'm using an Android. There's the Android app uh, for making these Meshtastic connections. But you can see how easy it was for me to connect Bluetooth from my laptop. And as long as you have a Chromium-based browser, you can really just go to this client.meshtastic.org. There's no app to download on your computer, no installed program. But yeah, like I said, it does work probably best with like Google Chrome. We're not really getting any responses back. All right, so we're not really getting any responses back today, which is not too unusual. Let's see if I can get the map. I'll just bring up the map. This is kind of similar to what we normally see. We got, a lot of nodes listed out here. Now you got to watch because like a lot of times it says heard 5 hours ago. You can change these settings. I think you can go in the configuration and change your display and change like how I'd have to go through all these and find it. But there's a way to update the map so that it only shows like current ones because a lot of these here could be older ones, like 2 hours ago. This one was um, heard yesterday out in Franklin County, Indiana, which is pretty cool. That's actually out there a bit. So was able to get a connection that far yesterday. So you can see, and then you can see northern wise. We've got one up here by Springboro. When was that? A couple of them by Springboro. Heard yesterday. This one also heard yesterday. And this could even have been when I had my Meshtastic device a little bit further east of where I was. So again, a lot of these different nodes um, turret 10 hours ago. So like I said, you can go in the settings and play around with those a little bit, and you can find settings to where maybe you only want to show the ones that have been active in the last hour. You can have it where you've got ones that you've seen days ago, weeks ago, and it gets a little bit cluttered if you do that. But yeah, give this a try, client.meshtastic.org. Hopefully we'll get into this a little bit more. I'd like to go into some more detailed videos for those who might be new or maybe just thinking about getting into Meshtastic. I'd love to maybe go into a deeper dive with you there. So anyhow, all right, so today I have the Seeed Studios SenseCAP. I just got it sitting up here on the mantle by the fireplace near a window. So we'll see how well this thing does. I've got it turned on. You can see this is a nice little device, my little Meshtastic. I got the little optional clip for it. It is powered on, ready to go. I think I still have enough battery life. So we're going to play around with it a little bit using the Chromium web browser version. I think I've showed you guys the Android app for Meshtastic, but we're going to try this with a computer. All right. So yeah, real quickly, I just wanted to kind of go over this real quick. I've used this in the past. I've got a couple of videos out there, maybe more than a couple on Meshtastic. And what I've been using here is the Meshtastic, the SenseCAP card tracker. It's a T1000E from Meshtastic. Right now, it looks like it's on sale. I think I paid like $50 for it originally. It's on sale for $44.09. Looks like Prime tomorrow delivery. That's great. I think I ordered mine originally from Seeed Studios, and it took a while. It took a couple weeks. So this is actually really good. But I got pictures of it. Again, this is a card-sized, IP65 rated. It's portable. It's already built for you. One of the drawbacks in Meshtastic is that these things are, for the longest time, you had to build your own. You had to buy the boards, buy the cases, put this all together. You can see how small it is compared to a cell phone. This is what I'm using for Meshtastic. Very nice device. I did get the clip. I'll show you a little video of mine. But yeah, right now they do have it available on Amazon. I actually have a link in the video if you're interested in buying this device. So hope you enjoy it. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you're using a different device. I'd love to hear a little bit more about it. So yeah, there you go.